10 things that Somali parents say and what they actually mean. I'ma beat your ass. Inshallah. No. وأركنا. Hell no. Oh, it's حليب قبرتت ولا راسي. Did you hear? So, where the hell is your man? أنا سبسنا. You have exactly 0.5 seconds to stop me or shit's about to go down. Hoya ma'an. Hoya. Hoya kale. I'm about to ask you for something ridiculous. I'm passive aggressively letting you know that what you're asking for is out of the question. Abahawedi. I know he'll say no, and that way I'm not the bad guy. Kale, 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 kale. You done effed up. بأقطع music haram, why? Music is haram. Except Somali music. I'm 100% sure that's exactly what they mean when they say it. I hope you enjoyed this kind of weird video. It's kind of different. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up.